So Jai Hind student, this is class 9 chemistry class, and before I move to the new topic, we just recap the previous topic also. Okay, so in a previous class we have discussed uh, the physical characteristic property of solid, liquid, gas. There is the intermolecular space, and there is the kinetic energy. This thing I already discussed in a previous class. So we also discussed in what is the basic dif- difference the crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Okay, and what about the Brownionic motion in case of gas? This thing we already discussed. And another time I just tell to you, they make a dedicated copy for chemistry. Okay, so in a previous class I already uploaded the video. I think you should already note it down in your notebook also. So let's move into the today topic. So we already saw there is a physical state of a matter, and that means there is a mainly solid, liquid, gas. These are general state. And this thing I also discussed, there is another two physical state which is discovered in recently. One is plasma state and another one is BEC state, that means Bose-Einstein state. So this thing we already discussed, what is the physical characteristic of a solid, what is the physical characteristic. This thing I already discussed, have a definite shape, definite volume, intermolecular space between a particle is very less, almost negligible, and have high rigidity structure. And in an exam purpose, this question they frequently asked. Okay, this question, this rubber is a solid but it can change their shape under a force, but regain its shape when the force is removed. So if I excessive force is applied, it breaks. Okay, that means solid have a fixed rigid shape also, and the kinetic energy of a particle in a solid state is very much less, therefore it's a okay. So you have to remember this thing. And we can, if we just think about the sponge, and sponge have so many pores, you have to write in your notebook also, beta, you have to write. So what about the sponge in a sponge, write it up in your notebook. Slowly I just tell. In case of sponge, there is the so many pores, so these pores are filled with the air, but pores is the solid. This is the main statement. Okay, that means this sponge is the solid, sorry, the sponge is the solid. Okay, so if we just think about the liquid state, we are already discussed this thing. The liquid have a no fixed structure, it have a fixed volume. The less consumer, moderate compressibility, it has a definite volume. The force of attraction between a particle in case of liquid are moderate in nature. This thing we already discussed. Okay, so we have already discussed the characteristic property of gaseous state. If you just new, you have to write it up in your notebook, this thing. Okay, write it up in your notebook also. So this only you just write it up. Okay, so this is the main thing in this chapter, the change of the state of a matter. Okay, change of the state of the matter. You should write it up and heading this thing. So change in the state, that means there is the as we know, there is the solid state, there is the liquid state, and there is the vapor state or gaseous state, that means gaseous state. So one by one there is a process, there's so many processes involved to transformation, the change of the state of a matter. So you should write it up in a notebook. Okay, make sure you have a dedicated copy. Okay, student. So let's move. When solid converted to the liquid, when solid converted to the liquid, this process you have to write it in your notebook also. When solid converted to liquid, that time this process is name is melting process. That means this is the melting process. Melting process. Okay, this process is known as melting process, or this is also known as fusion process. This is also known as fusion process. This is the same melting process or fusion process. First one, when liquid changes to the vapor state or gaseous state, that time this is called a vaporization or evaporation process. There is the two processes involved. So write it up in your notebook. First one is melting or fusion process. Second one is vaporization is one process, and third one is evaporation is one process. After that, vapor to liquid. Vapor to liquid, this process is known as condensation. You have to write. You have to write this thing. Okay, student. So this vapor converted to the liquid, this process name is condensation process. Okay, condensation process. So this one is condensation process. After that, if you just think about the reaction, just think about the liquid to solid. This process is known as solidification. This process is known as solidification process. Understand? This process is known as solidification process, or the another name is freezing process. This one is solidification process. So, and solid to directly converted to vapor without converting into its liquid state. This process is known as sublimation process. What is the process name? Sublimation process. You already studied in your previous class also this thing. And vapor converted to liquid, this is called a resublimation. You have to write this thing: sublimation, solid to gas, gas to solid, resublimation. That means RE, just write it, resublimation process. Okay, so one by one I just define this, what is the corresponding term. You have to write it up in your notebook also. Okay, student. So in this class, just discuss in a fusion process. So let's talk about the fusion process. In the fusion process, you write it up in a notebook. The process in which solid state, write it up. The process in which solid state converted into its liquid state at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure is known as melting process or fusion process. Okay. Second one, the vaporization process. Write it up in your notebook. In the vaporization process, the process in which liquid state converted to the vapor state, in the process in which liquid state converted into its vapor state below its above its boiling point, which is known as the vaporization process, and this is also you just add atmospheric also. Okay, and third definition is the evaporation process. So in an evaporation, the process in which liquid state converted into its gaseous state below its boiling point at atmospheric pressure, which is known as evaporation process. So in a today class we just finish this one up to this. In the next class we have studied this condensation and solidification, and another one sublimation and resublimation. So see you in the next class. Thank you, student. Okay.